Hello, my name is Rafael Ferreira Silva. I'm a senior research scientist at the Oak Ridge National Laboratory. At Oak Ridge, I work with supercomputers that are this image you see here and on the back of my screen. So supercomputers are like you put a lot of computers together to increase the power that you can do some processing. So imagine today what you can do with your phone. With your phone, you can edit videos, access the internet, do research, and discover new things. And imagine if we could put a lot of these kind of devices together to process something much more complicated. For example, on the physics, we have the gravitational waves discovery that are using the power of these supercomputers with all of these CPUs that have thousands of CPU cores together to solve just a single problem. Or you can imagine more recently for the COVID research. So trying to develop solutions, understanding how the disease spread and happen, we use the power of these supercomputers to enable that. So what I do specifically, I work with workflows. That is the idea of how you put different tasks together. Explaining, you do some processing initially, then you wanted to generate some plots to visualize, then you want to do some processing to understand and apply some machine learning, artificial intelligence techniques. And the workflow is going to do all of this automatically for you, so data can be properly managed, you get the proper results, and then you can see the results of your experiments. So you go and write your publications and help the science to advance. The fascinating aspect of this job is that you can work with so different science domains, from climate science, earth science, biology, chemistry, material science, and you can help all of them to benefit from the power of these supercomputers. So they can process the analysis and get the results much faster. So this is going to definitely impact how the next generation of scientific results are going to progress. So that's why we were able to get results so fast on how we could evolve with understanding the COVID cases, how the disease evolved, and try to develop solutions of vaccines and treatments and so on. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. And if you want to learn more, just access ornl.gov and you can hear and learn what we have been great things we have been doing in the lab. Thank you.